Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Claude AI account step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Claude AI website. Once you're there, you'll see options to continue with Google or email. Choose the one that's easiest for you. Next, sign in using your selected method. After that, make sure to tick the checkbox to accept the terms and policies, then click on Create Account. Now, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth and verify your account with your phone number. Enter the code you received to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can choose a Claude plan based on your needs. You can start with the available option and upgrade later if needed. And that's it. Your Claude AI account is now ready to use. You can start exploring features, chatting with AI, and boosting your productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.